Hello guys, welcome to the fifth part of the video of my Pentium 3 here. I encountered some of the problems after I brought the PC back in the house and tried to install the Windows 98. Unfortunately, after I started to install the Windows 98, there was something like a smell of burnt. I'm not sure exactly, but assuming there is the power supply that it has some problems. I'm not sure. So in order to prevent that, I use here the power supply for my spare parts. This one here, and this power supply, it has 450 watts. It's just a normal power supply. It's just yeah, anyway, it's not like Delta, the power supply incorporated that I showed you, the 350 watts, but it just he had a weird behavior, and right now, after I just tried the first, eventually with this power supply I managed to install the Windows 98, and not to the finished actually. I'm assuming there is also a problem with the motherboard. I'm not sure. This is my Windows 98 second edition that I was trying to install. This one was bought at new, second edition. I have the serial and everything, but the DVD burner actually didn't want it to read the Windows 98 disk. I'm not sure, but I think either it is the hard drive with the problem or the motherboard. Because right here in the back, it started to smell something, and when I looked on the PCB, there was I saw the copper. You know, it has a layer that is like a how do I say, this color of this PCB right here is also on the back, and one of the traces right here started to show. Become actually brighter, not bright, right? How do I explain to you? I think there was a mistake right here on the back, on these traces. And I started, after I smelled it, the PCB, I realized that it had a short, and I'm not sure why, because this motherboard didn't touch the back of the case, the one piece back of the case, you know, and yeah, anyway, but I'm still going to show you exactly what is the symptoms, and also I want to mention something else. Okay, right now it started. Okay, let's see if we have the signal, and we have the signal. Okay, let's go to the BIOS. Okay, so we have the hard drive. I just after I removed my DVD burner, I just tried the first boot device, pardon, for the hard drive, HDD0, CD-ROM, and LS-zip. Okay, all the settings are set to default. Everything is fine. So I'm just going to get out of here, see if the Windows 98 actually boots up fine, and okay, and this is the problem actually. The computer remains this way. And right now what I have to do is just reset all the time until I'm getting the software and also the image with the Windows 98. Unfortunately I cannot test this. I'm assuming there is a problem either with the hard drive or the motherboard itself, but I'm not sure exactly. So another weird thing that I encountered is just when you try to power up the computer, like I showed you, as you can see right here, it doesn't focus. as usually, the camera. Anyway, when I have to reset, I have to reset right here. The reset remain in this area and not in this area, because this is the power button and the reset button. And this is strange again. Why is doing that? The motherboard, I'm not sure, but I can assure you I didn't destroy anything during the installation. So I'm going to try to restart the computer as I showed. I just touched these two pins right here, and now the computer will restart. I've changed the CMOS battery, and I also installed the motherboard on the parallel port right here, and it works fine. And again, I'm having this problem like I showed you. Yeah, I cannot use the control delete. If I try to use the control delete, it won't work, it won't do anything. I also tried to right here on the hard drive, on this maxer, there is a jumper. I also was taken from my Pentium 4 computer, and I had to move the jumper. I have to put it in shorting these two pins so I can see the hard drive, so the hard drive can be seen in the BIOS correctly. And right now it's seen as primarily master, as you can see, the LBA mod 4, the 40 gigabytes. You see the hard drive, no problem, but I cannot go any further. So the next thing to do will be, I don't know, I think I'm gonna have to send the motherboard to the warranty and get the refund on it, and also the power supply along with the other parts. And I'm going to close this project, for quite unfortunate actually, because I cannot use for what I need, for my what I intended to use it. And yeah, I'm going to keep you updated with the in the next video if I if I somehow solve the issue. Yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next part of the video. Bye.